If you want to know what kind of cleaning and maintenance the DeLonghi Magnifica Start requires, this is the video you're looking for. We'll show it to you honestly and in full detail, so you can decide whether this is the coffee maker you're looking for. With the DeLonghi Magnifica Start, as with almost any coffee maker, you'll need to empty the coffee grounds container from time to time. This model can hold up to 14 pucks, which is a fairly large capacity and very practical since you won't need to empty it very often. Another thing to keep in mind is that the machine performs a rinse cycle to clean coffee residues from the internal circuits every time you turn it on and off. Because of this, you'll need to empty and clean the drip tray roughly every 10 coffees. As for the container used to prepare milk-based drinks, although it does include an automatic cleaning function, to be honest, we don't find it particularly useful because it only cleans the dispensing nozzle. As you can see, milk residue remains in the rest of the system, so it needs to be cleaned by hand or placed in the dishwasher after each use. About every 2 months, it's also necessary to clean the inside of the machine and the brew group. Basically, you need to open the side access door located behind the water tank, remove the brew group by pressing the red tabs, rinse it with water, dry it, and place it back in position. If you've never owned a super automatic coffee maker before, don't worry, as the process is much simpler than it may seem. In addition, as with most coffee makers, you'll also need to descale it from time to time. This will depend on the type of water you use, but to give you an idea, the machine usually requires descaling every 2 to 3 months. And that would be the basic maintenance required for this coffee maker. It's true that cleaning and maintenance are never the most attractive part of buying a product, but it's important to know that all coffee makers with a built-in grinder require very similar maintenance to what we've just shown. Plus, once you taste the flavor and aroma you get from a coffee maker like this, we're convinced it will more than make up for the maintenance effort involved. We hope this video has been useful and, above all, that it helps you decide whether this is the coffee maker you're looking for. Best regards.